Welcome to the Kettle Labs How-To series. In today's tutorial, we will explore how to configure a DLT pipeline. We'll cover pipeline configuration, product edition selection, compute settings, and other key configurations. In our previous video on building tables and views in Delta Live Tables DLT, we developed the source code for this pipeline. To begin, first navigate to Delta Live Tables in Databricks. Start by clicking on Workflow in the Databricks sidebar. From there, go to the Pipelines section. Next, click on Create Pipeline, and in the drop-down menu, select ETL Pipeline to initiate the setup process. Next, enter a meaningful name in the pipeline name field, such as Customer Order Management DLT Pipeline, to reflect its purpose. Choose a product edition, Core for simple streaming, Pro with CDC support, and Advanced with data quality checks. Select Core if CDC or expectations are not needed. Configure the pipeline mode. Triggered mode for batch processing or continuous mode for real-time processing. Choose triggered mode for batch. To select the source code, add the paths to the notebooks or files that contain the pipeline source code created earlier. In this case, you would select the source code notebook. Choose storage location, use Unity Catalog for governance, and select ETL Select as the default schema for the pipeline tables. Set cluster policy to none. Cluster mode to fix size, workers to 1, increase if needed, and keep photon acceleration disabled for now. Add email notifications for pipeline success or failure to stay informed of its status. In advanced settings, no tags in configuration, use current channel for features, set worker type to general purpose, standard DS3 v2, and driver type to same as worker. The summary section shows an estimated cost of 1.5 dB per hour plus Azure VM charges. Finally, review configurations via JSON button, then click Create. A new tab will display the pipeline details, and the left UI shows pipeline details. Stay tuned for more tutorials on Databricks. Thanks for watching.